Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make cool animation videos like me for free and without any watermarks. You don't need to pay for anything, and it's super easy to use these tools. Let's get started and make some awesome animations together.
Typing Adobe Express Animation into the browser. Click on the first website you see. This interface will be available. Click the Create Now button. Log in with your Google account. I have already registered. Many characters can be seen here. Here you can select a category. There are many categories to choose from. First, I select all people. You can find all characters here. Let's take a look at the sport category. These kinds of characters can be found here. Let's look at animal categories. I choose this one. The size can be selected by clicking here. Landscape is what I select. By clicking here, you can choose a background. You can see that there are many different backgrounds. Depending on your requirements, you can choose. If you would like a transparent background, click here. Click here if you want your background in any color. This is the background I selected. By clicking here, you can record your voice. Turn on the Enhance Voice button. Click the Browse button if you want to use any recorded voice. You can then select your voice. I choose this one. The voice we recorded is uploading. Click here to listen to it.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make cool animation videos like me for free and without any watermarks. You don't need to pay for anything, and it's super easy to use these tools. Let's get started.
For free download, click here.
And there you have it! In just a few simple steps, you've created a stunning animation using Adobe Express Animation. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Adobe Express Animation and other creative tools. Happy animating!